What's up, stock traders? Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders. Today we're going to talk about one of the updates that Webull pushed out with version 8 on their application. It's technical signals. This is especially going to be good for those new traders or existing traders just want to learn a little bit more of patterns and different types of signals that are out there based off the charts. So let's get up the Webull application and get into it, folks. Go, folks. We got the Webull app pulled up. We're over here on the chart. For right now, we're going to use AMC as an example. We're going to go over some of those new technical signals that Webull has put into the application that came with version 8. So if you're looking, you want to see if there's any type of technical signal that goes along with AMC, you can come down here, you hit the little clover leaf, and then you will select technical signals. See, we got technical signals pulled up now. So this one for AMC, you're going to see an example of a double bottom that was on May 26th is when, based off how Webull is tracking this, they say it was triggered on May 26th. So if you come up here, it's going to show you exactly, it's going to pinpoint out based off the charts where the double bottom was. And over here, on the right hand side of the chart, it's going to tell you short-term bullish, the close price, volume. It's given an estimated target price based off how they see the double bottom. I mean, I don't trade off these. I trade off the TT black box algorithms for direction, and then I use repetitive price action. So you can see based off this chart, it's been trending down. It hit the double bottom and their target range of the 18 to 19 range. So that's an example of what their technical signals look like. So we could come over here and we could try one more. So we'll flip the phone up. We'll come into here. We'll go under Nikola Corporation just for an example. We will hit select technical signals. None for Nikola. So let's close that out. And we will search. Let's go into, let's just pick one. Let's pick Hood. So the stock ticker HOOD, technical signals. And as you can see, we got flag for a bullish pattern on May 26th. So it's going to come in, it's going to show you, you can hit the little circles, it's going to show you what the patterns were. It's going to give you some ranges and everything over here. So we can close out the, let's see what the continuation wedge bullish pattern is. We can come over here and we can look, and it's going to show you the wedge. And since we wedged down, we're looking for the bullish momentum up. So we can come back over here and we had one more, the diamond pattern, and it's going to give you a breakdown on that. So there's a couple of examples, folks. Hope this helps.